I eloped with my first husband in Amsterdam, but we got married after I ate a shit ton of mushrooms.
Whoa.
Number two, I once rode a motorcycle through a synagogue with the permission of a rabbi. And number three, remember, 2 of these are true. Okay. And number three, I once found a baby snake wrapped in a Band-Aid under my dining room table after my family finished an entire meal. So,
okay, I know this one. So Seamus
eloped in Amsterdam after eating a shit ton of mushrooms, rode a motorcycle through a synagogue with the permission of a rabbi, found a baby snake under my table wrapped in a Band-Aid after eating an entire meal.
I love the motorbike going to the synagogue. I love that.